Meet Kim. As a mother of 2 young children and the owner of a couple of dogs, keeping her floors and carpet clean is usually a nightmare. Although she tries to keep everything tidy, some spots are difficult to clean, and now her carpets and flooring have several annoying stains. That's why Kim decides to hire professionals to take care of it. And for that, she only goes with the best, Carpet Steam Pro. At Carpet Steam Pro, we offer top-of-the-line professional cleaning services for your carpet, floor, upholstery, tile, and grout. As experienced experts, we know exactly how frustrating it can be to deal with hard-to-clean stains on these surfaces. The fact is, without special products and equipment, it's almost impossible to get rid of some stains yourself. As experts, that's where we come in. Here's how the process looks like for Kim. Kim simply gets in touch with us and schedules a visit. Since we take pride in professionalism, our highly trained cleaning crew arrives on time in a company van. The crew is professionally dressed and is fully equipped with the best tools needed to get the job done. Working systematically, we start by vacuuming to remove dry soil. Next, we pre-treat the carpet with the appropriate cleaning solution, which depends on the stain type. Finally, we extract the dirt out with a powerful and professional carpet cleaning vacuum. Now, all Kim is left with is sparkling carpets and floors that is as clean as new. With Carpet Steam Pro, Kim no longer has to waste time trying to clean those annoying stains herself. And even better, she gets to deal with an honest and professional company that respects her home and guarantees 100% satisfaction. You too can make this your experience. So what are you waiting for? Call us now at 301-363-0665 to get started today.